Eh?
Hi, I am Harry,
And
and I tell you about our class is a family, written by Shannon Olsen. When you think of a family, you might picture one in a house. A mom, a dad, kids, plus their dogs. Perhaps you think of grandma or grandpa, but family does not have to be who you related to. It can be another special group who love and care for you. It is a school with all of us. It is a place where we can show respect and kindness to each other. Where we eat
is
is a place where we can show, be ourselves, and make memories with one another. We have things in common and differences that make
us
us unique. Our classroom is a special haven where it is okay to make mistakes. We learn from them and try again. We all have bad days, but your teacher is here for you. As long as you are a friend to other, your peers will be there too. We will help each other learn and grow. So let's always remember what a great team we can be. You have our back and we have you. We are a